Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about find saved passwords on iPhone. Now right here, this is where we're going to start. We're going to start the settings because I want to discuss something very quickly. Now there are two going to be scenarios here. First one, if you have the latest version of iOS 18.2 or 18.1, or basically iOS 18, please follow this video. If you still have iOS 18 or 17 and below, you can find the passwords on these options right there. Should be around here just under the Generals tab. Alright? Now since I have installed the latest version, I'm gonna go to the home screen. Go back here, just look for the search bar, rather. And you'll see this one. Simply type in passwords. You'll find this applications. Now I'm gonna select this one right now and it will ask for my Face ID. As you can see right there. And now from here, you're going to see that you're going to have, I think, 6 options. All means everything or every passwords you have. Passkeys, Wi-Fi is going to be here. And security. You can add your new group right there. Plus icon also lets you add a new password on a specific website or application. Anyway, let's start with the Wi-Fi. So every Wi-Fi you have connected to from the past are going to be right here. As you can see right there, I have 107. That's actually a lot. So just by simply choose one here, for example, I'm gonna go for Coffee Bay. Click right there, click on the password, and that is the password. So you can just share it to your friends, remember it, take it down, write it in the note, what have you. So for example, this restaurant right here, if I click on that one, click the password, and I have the password. Also, I have the option right there to show it as a show network QR code to share it to my friends and families. Of course, guys, you can also have your passwords right there. Basically, for your applications, choose one of each. And then simply open them up. For example, I'm going to go for Snapchat right there. And that's going to be the password right here. Just simply click that one. And you'll be good to go. Of course, I'm not going to click it for privacy purposes. But just simply click on that one. You'll be good to go, right? And basically, that's going to be it. You can find your saved passwords here on iOS 18. Again, if you don't have iOS 18 and you have iOS 17 and below, go to settings, look for general, should be right here. Now if it's not right here, you can find it on this options right there, just on this parts right here. Alright? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching, please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.